Want to remove logos, watermarks, or unwanted objects from your videos in just a few seconds? No complicated software, no editing skills, just pure AI magic. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it for free using an amazing AI tool called Fotor.com. So, stay tuned till the end because the last step is super important if you want your video in HD quality. This is AI Website Hunter, the place where you discover the best AI tools to save time and make life easy. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Go to website. First, open your browser and go to Fotor.com. Fotor.com is an all-in-one AI-powered editing platform that makes photo and video editing super easy. From removing watermarks, logos, and unwanted objects to enhancing images and creating stunning designs, Fotor uses smart AI tools to do the job in just a few clicks, no pro skills needed. Step 2. Select AI Video Object Remove option. Once you're on Fotor.com, click on the Video Editing section and look for the Remove Object from Video option. This is the feature that uses AI technology to detect and remove things you don't want in your video. Step 3. Upload your video. Now, click on Upload Video and select the video from your computer or mobile. It supports most common formats like MP4, so you should be good to go. Wait a few seconds for your video to load completely. Step 4. Choose Remove option. Once your video is uploaded, you'll see two main options. Remove object, if you want to delete any random thing from your video, like people, text, or objects in the background. Remove watermark, if your video has a logo or watermark you want gone, this is the one to select. Step 5. Mark and remove. Next, select the brush tool. Use it to highlight the unwanted object, logo, or watermark on your video. Be as accurate as possible for the best result. Don't worry if your brush marks look messy, AI will handle it. Once you've marked everything, just hit the Generate button. In a few seconds, the AI will remove the selected object, logo, or watermark like it was never there. After that, click Download and make sure to choose HD quality for the best result. And that's it. Your video is now clean, with no watermarks, no logos, no distractions, all thanks to AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Website Hunter, and share it with your friends. Also, check out the other videos on this channel for more AI tools that make your work easier.